Good afternoon, one and all. In this session, we are going to learn how to generate a company sales dashboard in Tableau. That is, we are going to add certain sheets in according to the company sales, and we are going to drag and drop all the sheets into the dashboard, which makes the overall company sales over a year. So for this, I am going to open my Tableau workspace. So here I am going to open my Tableau, and here I am going to select the sample superstore data source. Now I'm connect to sample superstore data source. Now here I'm going to rename my sheet one as sales growth over the years. So let me rename this one sales growth over the years. So in this, I am going to drag and drop certain measures and as well as certain dimensions. So for this, first I am going to drag and drop my order date into the columns and change the order date pro forma as day itself. And I am going to drag and drop my sum of the sales and as well as sum of the profits. So sum of the profits and as well as sum of the sales. Now I am going to drag and drop the sum of the profit into the color, that is mark sheet, and as well as some of the profits into the size. Now I'm going to add filter. So the first filter is the category filter. So let me add the category filter here, and I'm going to select all the values. So let me drag and drop the category filter here, and I'm going to select all the values and click on apply and OK. And similarly, I'm going to add the region filter also. So let me add the region also. So here also I'm going to select all the regions, click on apply and OK. Now I am going to show my filter and I am going to show my filter, and here you can clearly see that the filters are displayed here. So whenever we are going to select certain things, the certain values are displayed. So this is the first sheet. In the second sheet, I am going to add certain things. So let me rename my second sheet as subcategory by sales. So here I am going to drag and drop as subcategory by sales. So here I am going to rename this one subcategory by sales. Now here I am going to drag and drop certain things. So here I am going to drag and drop my profit into the size of the marks card and as well as the subcategory into the label and as well as the subcategory into the color. So here I'm going to select my packed bubbles here. So let me select my packed bubbles. So this is the subcategory by sales, that is the sheet 2. Now coming to the sheet A, I am going to drag and drop certain things above the average. So let me rename this one first, that is subcategory of the sales. So let me rename this one subcategory of the sales above certain values. Above certain value. So I have renamed this one. Now I am going to drag and drop the category into the rows and as well as subcategory into the rows. So let me drag and drop the category into the columns and as well as subcategory into the columns. Similarly, in the rows, I am going to drag and drop my sum of the sales. And here I am going to color this one. So similarly, I am going to drag and drop my category onto the color so that the furniture, the category, and as well as subcategory technology. So we can select and deselect here. So this is the third sheet. Now coming to the fourth sheet, I am going to add certain discount. So let me rename this one. So my sheet name is rank by discount. So let me make certain sheet with discount value. So discount, and here I am going to drag and drop certain values. So let me drag and drop certain things. So country, or we can make country onto the rank. So here I am going to select my country, that is in the location dimension, and I am going to detail this one country, and as well as similarly I am going to drag and drop my state also. So let me add the state here, and similarly I am going to drag and drop the discount values, that is the average of discount onto the size. And here you can clearly see that the rank by discount is displayed. Now I am going to select my dashboard and I am going to drag and drop all the sheets that have been created. So first sheet, the second sheet, and the third sheet, and as well as the fourth sheet. Now here I am going to change the settings here. So let me make it as generic desktop, and I am going to play. So let me select this one, that is slideshow, and here you can clearly see that a dashboard was created. Now we just realign this dashboard. So let me change this one, or let me resize this one first. Yeah. So here you can clearly see that the regions was displayed, because if at all we are going to select certain region, or if you are going to select certain category, only that category values are displayed for all the sheets. So in this way, we can create a dashboard with a company sales in Tableau. Thank you.